Hey guys, it's Matt again over at James Collins Ford here in Louisville, Kentucky. We just dropped the price $2,000 on this 2019 GrandSport Corvette. Thought this would be the perfect time to show you guys why you should pick her up for yourself. First thing you'll notice right off the rip is the bright exterior color. Chevy calls this Sebring Orange. Another thing you may notice is the more aggressive front lip that has been added, as well as the body kit with the skirts and the lips above the fenders. Really gives it that wide, low stance. It's got the wicker spoiler in the back, as well as an upgraded diffuser. Check out those exhaust tips, man. I'll let you hear it in a second. This one is the convertible. I do think it looks better with the top down, but that is just my personal opinion. But she's stunning. Beautiful sports car. Great value for the money. Here's the view with the top down. It just looks so good. Such a sleek body line. Definitely grabs your attention and lets everybody know you're driving not just a regular sports car. You got big old 335 tires on there to keep you planted to the road. Coming inside here to take a look at the interior. Beautiful leather with adjustable seats. The even more special part is the previous owner has added an aftermarket sound system that also extends into the rear of the vehicle. Let's take a look at that real quick. Look at this sub. Looking good. Look at the view from this cockpit. How cool. Pure sports car feel. Start her up, you can even hear her roar. Man, big old V8. Got your heads up display as well as your top up and down controls. If you can see it through here, you have a heads up display right there in front of you. A couple different dash options you can choose from based on the mode that you're in. CarPlay touchscreen, heated and ventilated seats as well. Gotta have those. And even an individual passenger climate control adjustment. I'm sure you're dying to hear how she sounds, so let's start her up and get some revs. Be right back. Not too bad. That's your 6.2 liter 2019 GrandSport Corvette. Thank you guys for tuning in to another Matt at James Collins Ford video. This is the 2019 GrandSport 2LT in the Sebring Orange. Shoot me an email down below. It is in my description on my channel, as well as a phone number that you can contact. But I appreciate you guys tuning in again, and look forward to helping make this one of yours. Have a great day, guys.